Hi guys, it's Miss Davis here. Today we're talking about Module 4, Lesson 6. And in this lesson, we're talking about being able to identify 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, and 1 less than a 2-digit number. And also being able to use dimes and pennies as representations of tens and ones. Now I have 3 different types of problems that you may see in this lesson that I'm going to show you on this video. On this first part, they have a picture, a place value chart, and there's a sentence or a statement at the bottom. Now first, we can use that place value chart to help us know what our number is. Now we know that there's 2 tens and there's 6 ones. Now if you've noticed, I put tens on the 2 dimes, and I put ones on all 6 pennies, because that helps me remember that my dimes are tens and that my pennies are my ones. So I know that 2 tens and 6 ones is, I'm going to count, starting with my tens. So it's 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So 26 equals 2 tens and 6 ones. Alright, let's go to the next one. Now this one, again, we have a picture and a place value chart. But this one we have a different kind of problem at the bottom. Now this one, it says 2 tens, 0 ones in our place value chart. Then we have 2 dimes. Now remember, I'm going to put my tens on top of the dimes to help me remember that my dimes are worth 10 cents each. Now, looking at my place value chart is going to help me so much in this one, because it says 20 equals a blank tens. Well, I know that 20 is how much I have, but I know that I have 2 tens right here. 20 is my value of how many dimes I have, but 2 tens says how many tens I have. So 20 equals 2 tens. And then the last type of problem that I'm going to show you guys today, this one we have to cross off to find the answer. Now at the bottom it says 10 less than 34 is blank. Well, first, I know that this problem, the picture shows that I have 34 because it tells it to me right here. But I have to figure out what 10 less is. Well, I'm going to go ahead and remember what each of these coins represent, what number. Oh, well, I know I have 3 tens because that's my 3 dimes, and I have 4 ones because those are my 4 pennies. And now it says 10 less. I know that 10 less than 34. Less means that I'm going to take away. How many am I going to take away? I'm going to take away 10. So I'm going to put X on my 10, and this is what's left. Now I'm going to count it. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 10 less than 34 is 24. Alright guys, that's it for this video.